Well, we're following new details tonight after 10 TV exclusively confirmed an inmate accused of killing a corrections officer on Christmas morning is now indicted on 2 counts of aggravated murder. Now, that's according to the Ohio State Highway Patrol. The Ohio Department of Rehabilitation and Corrections says Lansing was beaten to death on Christmas Day. 10 Investigates has been following this case in ways it could have been prevented for months now. And tonight, 10 Investigates reporter Rochelle Aline is talking solutions with a state lawmaker.
We've been developing it.
State Representative Mark Johnson says he's working to reform Ohio's prison system. And to do that, in February, he told us about Andy's Law. The draft bill is named after Ross Correction Officer Andrew Lansing, who was killed on Christmas Day. According to the ODRC, inmate Rashawn Cannon beat Officer Lansing to death. Johnson believes that staffing shortages are a big reason for Officer Lansing's death. According to him, Andy's Law would require the ODRC to hire a consulting firm to improve hiring and retention methods. It would also strengthen penalties for inmates who injure or kill correctional staff. On Tuesday, Johnson confirmed that several other provisions of that bill will now hopefully be handled as amendments to the state budget.
One is to bring the widow health care until he or she becomes eligible for Medicare. So that would cover them till they're 65.
Johnson is also hoping to remove copay fees for mental health coverage of prison employees.
We all know when you watch your friend and coworker go out and face the things that they have done, there's little wonder that you need some counseling.
And when it comes to prison safety, he had this take on the state's recently announced taser pilot program.
Will tasers work? Will it help?
I can't answer that question. You know, I'm not a professional in corrections. It probably wouldn't hurt. You know, what the officers fear is the tasers going in the wrong hands, the inmates getting a hold of them.
In Columbus, Rochelle Aline, 10 TV News.